Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 29. This is Section 3.1, Problem 29. It says write 144.037 in words. So to write it in words, I like to see it as a fraction first. So the 144 in front of the decimal will of course be in front of the fraction. Now to make the .037 from a decimal into a fraction, the first thing I do is write anything that comes after the decimal point in the numerator of a fraction. So after the decimal point I have 037, I put 037 in the numerator. The next step is to put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. So I put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. Next you put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. And again, if you're going to leave it as a fraction at this point, you try to reduce it if it's reducible. But since we want to convert it into words, we don't really bother with that step. So now to write it in words, first deal with the 144. So 144. And now for the decimal part, I'll say and. The numerator is 37. You don't really need the 0 in front. You don't need to consider that. So 37. And the denominator is 1,000. So it would be 37 thousandths. Like that. So 144.037 in words would be written 144 and 37 thousandths.